Leopard. Cat. Rat. Bat. Hippo. Leopard gecko. Gazelle. Snack. Grue royale. Dolphin. Ants. Small, eusocial insects renowned for their intricate colony structure and remarkable division of labor. What sets ants apart from other animals is their unparalleled teamwork, guided by a chemical communication system based on pheromones. This system enables them to collectively forage, build intricate underground chambers, and engage in elaborate farming practices, such as cultivating fungus gardens or tending to aphids. The remarkable ability of ants to organize and synchronize their efforts, creating superorganisms that operate as a single entity, distinguishes them as nature's masters of cooperation and exemplifies their evolutionary success.